Your building's walls and doors are taking a beating every single day, and the repair costs add up fast. We've worked with facility managers who spend significant budgets each year on preventable damage. Our wall and door protection systems can reduce that by up to 90%. At Yeoman Shield, we offer a full range of durable, impact-resistant solutions, from wall panels and corner guards to fire-rated door protection and handrails. Our directly employed installation teams ensure a perfect fit every time, with minimal disruption to your day-to-day operations. And it doesn't stop there. We also provide full fire door inspections, maintenance, installations and upgrades, all carried out to FIRAS-certified standards. Need supply only? No problem. We deliver nationwide with rapid dispatch from our Leeds HQ. Your building deserves better than constant repairs and disruption. Contact us today for your free building assessment.